shut it, open, shut it, open and shut it, open and shut it. Have you opened the door? Have you joined the class? Thank you very much. It's a Teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to EasyElimu Learning Simplified. Now, how have you been? I hope you're well, because I'm well. Do you remember what we learned last? I remember we did addition, and we talked about, before we introduced the word adding, there are those words we were using, like put together. Then we had the words like 3 and 2 make a 5. And we said put together and will be replaced by the sign plus. By the sign plus. And we said make will be replaced by equals to. Equals to gives the sum, meaning the numbers on this side should be equal to the answer or the number on this side. For example, if I have a 3 and a 1, so the word is 3, my addition sentence will be 3 plus 1 equals to. Now, which method should I use? Which one is easier? I think let me use counters. We have 1, 2, 3. And then I have 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 plus 1 equals to 4. And these were 2-digit numbers. These was 2 1-digit numbers. Today we want to do adding 3 numbers. We even did adding 2 numbers using a number line. But today we want to do 3 numbers. For example, I've been given here this number. I've been given here 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals to 4 plus 3 plus 1 equals to. Now, what was our first step? Our first step was for you to identify the big number. And in this case, which one is our big number here? Janet, which one is our big number? Our big number is, Janet has said 4. So our big number is 4. So you make your number line as neat as mine. Have you seen my number line? Well labeled. You are able to see the numbers from where you are. Are you able to see the numbers? Don't squeeze it and don't make the numbers so much apart. So my big number here is 4. So I'll come and put a star where number 4 is. Then ask myself, 4 is my beginning number, my big number. How many steps am I supposed to move? And am I moving backward or forward? What did we say? We move forward to add, to increase. We move forward when we are adding, when we are increasing. So I'm moving forward. So starting at 4, how many steps am I supposed to move forward? I am moving 3 steps forward. So I will go 1, 2, 3. Very good. But now, is that my answer? No. We are adding 3-digit numbers using a number line, which means the second number is remaining. So how many more steps am I supposed to move? From 4, I have jumped 3 steps and landed at 7. But that is not my answer, because there is still another number on waiting to be added on. So how many steps, how many more steps am I supposed to move? I will move 1 more step. And where will I stop? What will be my answer? I will stop at 8. I will stop at 8, and that will be my answer. Are we together? Another example. Let me try another example here with other 2 numbers. Another example with other 2 numbers. I have been given here. 6 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 1 plus 2. Same method, same procedure, same steps. What am I supposed to do first? First of all, I am supposed to identify the big number. In this case, which one is my big number? Yes, Oscar, try. The big number here is 6. So 6 will be my starting number. So I will come where 6 is and put a star. Now, after I have put a star on 6, I'm asking myself, how many steps am I supposed to move from 6? The first, I'm supposed to move only one step because it is 6 plus 1 plus 2. So the first one I'm supposed to move is the one step. So from 6, I'm moving one step. Then after moving one step, I still need to move 2 more steps. So I will still move 1, 2. I'll stop at 9. So my answer here is 9. So when you ask, using a number line, add 6 plus 1 plus 2. It is as simple as this. Start with the big number, then move the number of steps that you are supposed to move. And it becomes more easy for us. For example, now, what if someone is asking, repeat the question again. What if I've been given 1 plus 2 plus 5? Very good. That's nice, Johnny. That's nice. Now, Johnny asks me, teacher, what if I'm given 1 plus 2 plus 5? The rule still remains. Johnny, which one is your first step? First step, Johnny says, is to identify the big number. So which one is the big number there? Johnny, 5. Very good. So come where 5 is. Put a star. Then you'll be asked, how many steps are you supposed to move from 5 forward? You'll first move 1 step and then move 2 steps. So from 5, I will move 1 step and then I move 1, 2. So Johnny, where will you stop at? You will stop at 8. Very good. You will stop at 8. And that will be my answer. Same thing will happen even when you're given a word problem where they've asked you. In the morning, Johnny came to class with 2 pencils. After break, Johnny went and came back with 3 more pencils. Remember, in the morning, Johnny came with 2 pencils. In the afternoon, after break, Johnny comes into the classroom with 3 more pencils. And when we left the field after PE, Johnny came to class with 1 pencil. So how many pencils does Johnny have altogether? What I'm wondering is, where was Johnny getting these pencils? Who can tell me where Johnny was getting these pencils? She went to the office. Is Johnny a she? No, Johnny is a he. Very good. So Johnny is a he, and Johnny was getting these pencils from the office, which means Johnny went to get the pencils from the secretary. Very good. So Johnny came in the morning with 2 pencils. After break, he comes in with 3 pencils and then 1 pencil. So how do we find the total number of pencils that Johnny had in that class during that day? So we are saying Johnny came in class with how many pencils? 3 pencils. So our starting number will be, which one is our big number? 3. So our starting number is there. So how many steps are we moving forward? We are saying Johnny first came in with how many? 2 pencils. So I am moving 2 steps forward. Then after that, Johnny comes in with 1 more pencil. So how many pencils did Johnny have that day? Johnny, I'm told you had 6 pencils in a day. Are they still there or they got lost? Are they still there? I'm just wondering. I hope you still have them, because I'll tell the secretary not to give you any other pencil. Those ones should be enough for this week. Okay? So, during your own free time, I want you to go and make a number line. It can be outside your kitchen, it can be outside the veranda, in the veranda, but you make a number line. And you interchange with your sister, with your brother on how to jump from this number line, starting from the 2 numbers, 3 numbers, as you continue. It should be something that should be very easy for you because we have already done this in class. Any other person who has a problem? Anybody who still feels that I should go back and review this number line? I hope we are all on the same level. We have now gotten exactly what a number line is. A number line is a line with numbers. And we have now known how to make our number lines. So continue joining into the class so that we can learn more and more about adding using a number line. Maybe tomorrow we'll be doing the 2-digit number with a 1-digit number on a number line. So I want to make your work easier, provided you join into the lesson and you enjoy with me. It's me. Thanks very much and hope to see you in the next lesson.